vocabulary used in our daily English. 1. Abundant. The meaning, existing in large quantities. Sentence. The garden was abundant with colorful flowers in spring. 2. Reluctant. Meaning, unwilling or hesitant. Sentence. She was reluctant to speak in front of her class. 3. Encourage. Meaning, to give support, confidence, or hope. Example. Teachers should encourage students to ask more questions. 4. Improve. Meaning, to make something better. Sentence. Reading every day can improve your vocabulary skills. 5. Curious. Meaning, eager to learn or know something. Sentence. The curious child asked many questions about the stars. 6. Confident. Meaning, feeling sure about your abilities. Sentence. He felt confident about passing his final exam. 7. Benefit. An advantage or to gain something good. Learning a second language can benefit your career. Or learning a second language is a great benefit for everyone. Essential. Absolutely necessary. Good communication is essential for teamwork. 9. Patient. Able to wait calmly without getting upset. A good teacher must be patient with every student. 10. Achieve. To successfully reach your goal. She worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor. I will continue to provide you more vocabulary that we use in our daily English. Continue to watch my videos and subscribe, like, and press the bell button to see more videos in the future. And thank you.